To get a cash advance from a Venmo credit card, first, locate an ATM that accepts Venmo, ideally one within a nationwide network. Identifiable by a Money Pass, MasterCard, Cirrus, or Pulse logo. Be aware that the APR for cash advances is significantly higher than for purchases, currently standing at 29.49%, although these terms are subject to change. Once an ATM is found, the process involves inserting the Venmo card, entering the PIN, selecting the cash advance option within the withdrawal section, and then inputting the desired amount, keeping in mind the specific cash advance limit on the card. After confirming the transaction, the cash will be dispensed from the ATM, completing the process. It's a straightforward method, albeit with higher APR rates for cash advances compared to regular purchase transactions.